Hi guys, Dave's here. I'll do a little review of my low air compressor. It's made by Hypertough, by Walmart. It's $125. It's got a 10-foot long cord here that you plug up in the car. The car does not have to be running to be using this. It screws right onto your valve stem and everything. It does come with a couple extra nozzles on here, and I'll show you a picture of them here. It's so you can inflate a football or a basketball or an air mattress or something. So it's got a lot built into it. It's supposed to pump up a tire in 7 minutes, from 0 to 35 pounds. So I've had this for over a year. I've used it a lot, but I've not pumped up a tire completely from flat. I've pumped up the tire down, it's been low and everything. So let's try it out here. Okay, this thing does have a place on here that you can set it what pressure you want. If you hold the plus button in, it'll pop up 35 pounds. If that's what your tires need, just leave it alone, it'll go back. If you need to change it, they're going to just use the plus and minus buttons here. So let's try it. So it just screws right on. Screw it till it's tight. Then we hit the on button. Now it took longer than 7 minutes on this one. Maybe I didn't have it tight enough, but it took over 13 minutes to pump my tire up. This is the first time I've done that from a flat. I had to plug a hole in this tire, but normally I'm just down adding some, maybe 10 pounds to it or whatever when it tricks my tire sensor. Like I said, I've had this thing for over a year now, and I've used it several times. I keep it in the car all the time. I liked it so much that I bought my son one to keep in his vehicle and everything, in case he doesn't have a low tire or flat. I would recommend this thing. It's been good for the cost, $125. Okay, you can see your cord goes back in here and everything. Now there is a warning label on the back. Do not run for more than 14 minutes continuously, and then allow Inflator to cool 35 minutes between uses. So I mean, because it's got such a small motor in there, it puts a strain on it and everything. I would obey by these rules on this. So I hope this helps you guys if you want to purchase one of these. And as always, thanks for watching, guys.